Hey ladies, welcome back to my channel. We are back with another wig install, and today's wig is from Subella Hair. So this is their 8x5 glueless lace closure wig. This wig does have the 4C curly edges. This is 18 inches, and they are saying that this is 220% density and 100% human hair. This wig is super beginner friendly, so I'm just giving you guys a lot of close-ups, including that beautiful texture, the nice curly edges. The lace is a 8x5 lace closure. You see it has multiple combs inside of the wig cap, the adjustable elastic band, and it's also designed to fit comfortably around your ears. Now this is a very basic to the point type of wig, you guys, so this tutorial is going to be very quick and it's also going to be very easy to follow. I added some foundation on the lace per the usual, and right now I'm just throwing the wig on. I want to see what she's feeling like, make sure everything is centered, etc. Now honestly, the wig cap felt really good, which is great. However, the lace did keep sliding back. It wasn't staying where I wanted it to stay, so I am going to go in with some lace melting spray. Obviously that is my preference. Depending on how the wig fits on you and how secure it is on you, you will have to make that decision for yourself. So I did go ahead and add some lace melting spray after combing those edges back. Once that lace melting spray gets tacky, which is about like 5 seconds or so, I go ahead and I lay down the lace. Now the good thing is that when you have a wig that has like these curly edges like this, you really don't have to make the lace as perfect, because those curly edges is going to cover it up regardless. So normally once I get the lace secured and it's not moving anymore, then I kind of play around with the edges to make sure it looks natural and is covering up any pieces of the lace that I don't want to see. Okay, so I'm done playing around with the lace. I'm going to go ahead and style the rest of the hair. As you guys can see, I'm kind of pulling on those edges and I'm cutting them. And the reason why I'm doing that is because sometimes with these, like, you know, basic, everyday, beginner friendly type of wigs that these brands be promoting, they don't always, you know, come ready to go. There's certain things that I would notice that maybe somebody who doesn't wear wigs as often won't notice. So that's why I like to include it in my tutorials, to kind of just give you guys some heads up on what to look out for. Sometimes the ends of these curly wigs could be very thin and sometimes uneven. So I kind of just like to go through the hair and cut whatever I feel like does not need to be there. Again, this is completely optional, but this is just something that I want you guys to look out for, especially when it comes to these curly wig units. Alright, you guys know me, I'm going to keep this curly hair routine very simple. I like the way the hair came. She kind of just needs a refresher, so I'm not going to do too much. I'm just going to refresh it. I'm adding some water to the hair and I am finger detangling and separating those curls a little bit. I did that on each side, and then I also added just a little bit of gel just to hold the curls in place, and that was literally it. Shedding wise, the hair shed very minimally. The hair did not tangle. She did not have a crazy smell. And yeah, that's pretty much it. I mean, we didn't add any heat to her or anything like that, so I don't know how well she would straighten. I normally do not straighten my curly wig units at all, so I can't give you guys advice on that. However, curly hair wise, it was very quick, very simple. This is a nice wig, especially for the summer too, being that it is 18 inches long. It's a really good wig to have once the weather warms up, which I cannot wait for because it has been so cold and the weather in New York has been extremely bipolar. But again, the wig overall was very quick to install. It was very easy, super beginner friendly. Okay, you guys, we are done. Comment down below and let me know how you feel about this wig unit. Again, I am a fan of the curly edge curly wigs. If you're not, I'm sorry, but I am a fan of them because I do feel like they make your life a whole lot easier. It looks very natural, and again, you don't really have to spend too much time on that lace because those curly edges are going to cover it up anyways. So make sure you guys check out my description box down below. Everything will be listed there. Thank you so much for tuning in. Make sure you guys go ahead and you check this wig out, and I will see you guys next time.